morning. Today I'm going to work a little bit in my chicken coop over here. So in the chicken coop I have all this brachiaria grass growing against the back wall or like the entrance wall, and I kind of just want to now shift it to just grow along this wall so that I can use the center for my compost making. So I'm just going to start by digging some holes, and then after I've dug holes along the side of the wall, I am going to grow some compost. So along the walls is kind of where I want it to grow, not in the center. Just remove them. And then I'll be putting a sausage apple in the holes. So, yeah, that's the plan. Alright, watch me work. So a few months back, I planted contumely, and I wasn't even going to post the video because I thought it was a failed crop. Turns out my chickens have been devouring the contumely. Here's the stalk, trying to grow, fresh and wet, as they've been eating it. And if that's not enough, here's another one. Nope, fresh and wet, stalk, eaten. Here's another one, fresh and wet, stalk, eaten. Another one, and I'm pretty sure if I keep going down, I'll find more. Let me get in the sun. All right. Well, I'm happy to know that they were growing. It wasn't a waste. The chickens have been fed well. I don't know why they won't eat the brachiaria grass. I guess I'm gonna stop giving them chicken feed at some point and force them to eat the brachiaria grass. But I'm gonna just put the grass in between the contumely and hope that it'll provide some type of coverage and protection, that they won't see it growing right away and give it a chance to sprout up. So yeah, that's definitely the new plan. But at least I know the contumely grew, so I'll try again, probably elsewhere on the property. I'm not quite sure where, but I'm gonna put some more contumely somewhere else, probably in the front yard. Hopefully the dogs don't dig it up. I may have to put down more fencing, keep the dogs out. It's kind of hard to have an urban homestead when you're outnumbered by animals. That is something I'm acknowledging now, and in future, my homesteads, if there's not a lot of space for animals, I'm definitely going to minimize them, because I love having all the eggs and all the animals, but trying to actually grow anything to eat is becoming quite tricky. I've had to come up with a lot of ways to save my plants. So okay, watch me work.
like, what do I, how do I
That's
interact with a person like that? But it's like, but that's what it's supposed to be. Like your head or your man is supposed to be further ahead of you. So it's like, it's just interesting, like, that we're not taught or don't know.
We'll give them a chance to grow without the chickens
to
attacking.
be in. You know, as opposed to trying to like, oh, he's smarter. Okay, well, we're trying to pull what I know and trying to talk on an intellectual level. And, you know, so I just thought it was.
What about the idea of like, and I think
I'm tired. I'm hot. I'm gonna take a break.
So you may
Thanks for watching.
Let's say like create, right? Maybe